Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So this video is to let you guys know what modification won, and very surprisingly, it was the audio system. So I'm super stoked to install an audio system into this. I really thought that cold air intake would win, but we are going to be installing an audio system into this. Now, I could easily call up OEM Audio Plus and say, hey, I have a YouTube channel, I get X amount of views per blah blah blah, can you send me some product to review? That would be nice, it would save me money, but not all of you are gonna go out to OEM Audio Plus and drop $1,600. You're not gonna go out to Taco Tunes, and because that's another kind of like OEM kit for the 4Runner, you're not gonna go out to Taco Tunes and drop, you know, $1,400 to $1,800. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on to crutchfield.com. Crutchfield is known for their audio. They're known for helping people out. They're known for having a bunch of stuff in stock. Like Crutchfield is one of the main websites a lot of people go to. So I'm gonna go to them. I'm gonna get help to make sure I get all the proper acoustics for the 4Runner. If you go onto their website right now, they have 4Runner, what the speakers are, what sizes you are, and they have everything for you. They also sell their speakers when they sell them to you. They sell them with the adapters, so to come from your stock speaker wire into aftermarket speakers. So it's essentially like the OEM audio and everything like that, for way cheaper, guys. So the speakers I'm looking at right now when I'm pricing it out, I'm looking at Focal speakers because they're definitely one of the best. Hertz is a little up there in price, or I may just get some good Alpines or like JL audio. But I am looking to get good speakers. Now the way that I'm gonna go about installing them is I'm gonna take all the doors off myself, take the dash things out myself, take the rear hatch out myself, and since I have everything off, I'm gonna go ahead and sound deaden the doors and the back hatch. I'm also going to do it first. I'm gonna order an amp, but I'm gonna do multiple segments of this video basically. I'm gonna first install it. Like if you don't want to install an amp, I want to see how the stock head unit will relate to aftermarket speakers. Then I'm gonna install the amp and see how that goes. I'm not gonna do a sub right away. I'm just gonna do speakers, and then we'll see how it goes with just speakers. And then amplifier, see how the head unit acts with an amplifier. And then eventually I will put a new head unit in the vehicle. I haven't found one that I really like yet, because when you put a new head unit in the 4Runner, it's pretty naked, because like in this whole center stack right here, as you guys know, you have a lot of radio options. But when you put a double din into this area and then you get the closeout plastic cover for it, it looks pretty naked. So there is this one brand that I'm looking at. It's called alot. And yes, it's an Android Auto head unit, but you get Android CarPlay, or you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in it. And it's a double din radio, but it comes out as like 10.1 inches. So you put the double din in, and then it has like this, it's almost like an iPad tablet. I'm looking into those. I know they aren't the best, but I do know that alot is one of the better brands when you do go that way. For that 10.1 inch, I think it's like $300, which compared to just a plain Jane Alpine head unit, I mean, it's almost half the price. And I'm not using that head unit to power all my speakers. I would have an amplifier at that point. So with that, you know, you get the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, whatever you want. You can watch YouTube, like if you're doing a long road trip or something like that. You can have movies playing, like a lot of stuff that you can't really unlock with a typical other double din radio. So I'm really looking at that. But like I said, I'll do it in segments as well. So if you guys are excited, obviously a lot of you are, for the audio upgrade, then go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for it if you guys are ready to see an audio upgrade. I just got word that my rock sliders are being packaged. They were being packaged last night. Cali Raised was, like I said, guys, Cali Raised is amazing. They were on Instagram. They showed someone's rock sliders. I was like, oh, is the 4Runner one shipping out? And they saw the name, and they're like, yeah, we actually packaged yours up last night. Like, that is the customer service that you want with a company. So yeah, so those should be here hopefully within the next couple weeks, guys. But if you're excited, like I said, for the audio, drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new around here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, see y'all later.